This is video 2 of our 4th grade Henri Matisse sculpture project. We have already created our stencil, our leaf stencil. It has our name on the back. It is done with a cardstock. Our next thing is we are going to be cutting out shapes for our 3-dimensional sculpture. The first thing you're going to need to do is you are going to need to choose your colors. We are going to be choosing complementary colors like we just talked about for our leaf sculpture. You are going to need 3 pieces of each of the colors. So I have 3 blues and I have 3 oranges because these are complementary colors. After you get your complementary colors, what you're going to do is you're going to kind of put them aside and we're going to be cutting some shapes. So I'm going to first take the 1 piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half like this. Then we're going to take our stencil, we're going to put it on top, and with a pencil we are going to trace our leaf onto the paper. We're going to carefully trace this because this is what's going to be made, our sculpture made out of. We're going to cut this in here. Then we are going to cut it. Because the paper is folded, it's a little thicker. Okay, so that means we have to do less cuts. We are going to cut out 12 of these shapes. 6 in one color and 6 in the other. So in the end, we have 12 different leaf shapes. Remember, like our stencil, you want to use the inside of your scissors and you want to pinch the paper together with your other thumb. This makes sure that these stay together and so you can cut out multiple at one time. So we're going to be doing a lot of tracing and cutting today. So we're going to be making sure you use the inside of the scissors, pinch them together, little cuts, so that now after you cut this together, you now have 2 of these. So here's 2 of the 12. So I was starting to cut out them before. And so now we're going to take all of these scrap papers and we are going to throw them in the trash can because we no longer need them. Then what you're going to do is after you cut out all of your shapes, you are going to use a plastic bag and you're going to put all of your cutouts all together inside the plastic bag and put this in your table folder. You may be able to seal it. They might not stick up. That's okay. You just kind of seal what you can at the top so they don't fall out. You put your name on this with this and put this away. We're going to be working on this until you get 12 of your leaves. 6 in one color, 6 in another, so that we can get ready to take these to the next step of prepping them for our sculpture.